need to chat. Ctek and I. Anyway, it'll be a friendly chat. So my Ctek for the last few hours is not charging my auxiliary battery. So my auxiliary battery at the moment is drawing, well, there's about a 3.7 amp pull. My battery is sitting at 86%, which is impossible. It should be sitting at 100. So it's not charging. It's not charging. It was charging, and then it gets to like 100% for a bit, and then it turns off. So I thought maybe by trying to find a way to reset it. So you can't reset the Ctek, it doesn't have a button. But what I can try and do is take the power off, which will then turn the Ctek off, and maybe that'll reset it. I don't know. But I'm getting really frustrated with this problem. So the other thing I don't have is, okay, so now that's off. We don't have, we literally in the wild. You can look behind me, there's nothing. This is an elephant corridor, and we're going to be staying in something similar to this. So there's not like I can plug in extra power. That creates a number of issues. So now that that's completely off, the fridges and everything are still running, so that's not a problem. So let's see if this works.
Okay, driver, you can go. You can make some smoke, please, driver.
So it seems by doing that, it's actually reset it, and it's now pumping in 10.5, 10.6 amps. It's exactly what we need. It's not right, man. I wonder what the story is. You can't talk about it can't be the algorithm. The algorithm won't turn it off for 15%, 5-6% maybe, just to allow the battery to be used and then slowly trickle it in. But Ctek is designed to separate the components, so it'll charge the auxiliary battery to keep it full, but then still run your items that need the power. So there's no reason that should just turn itself off. But it's putting in 11 amps, I mean 10 amps, it's exactly what we need. We need to chat, Ctek and I. Anyway, it'll be a friendly chat. So this is the Okavango Community Trust, and it's run by all the communities along the strip here. So Soronga, Mokacha, which is further back, Betsha, Erecha, all the way to Godigwa. The whole community area is looked after and run by these guys, so that people don't come in and try and take advantage and do different things. So these guys have been put together to ensure that the livelihoods and what happens within the communities is done within the boundaries of the trust for the people. So it's very cool. I have a very good relationship with them, and yeah, I'm stoked to actually see this. I haven't seen this before. And there's thunder and lightning behind it. Yeah, very exciting. Yeah, this is very cool. I'm quite stoked.
This little boy who made his scouse had an eye problem, so the eye crew helped him with the glasses, of which he used them to make this.
Oh, really?
His name is Wapelo. He's now at the junior secondary school doing his second year.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Very cool, eh?
Yes.
Super.